starting the name of Allah, the most beneficial, the most merciful. Not wasting the time, directly coming to my topic. Yeah, I'm born Pakistani. People say Pakistan. No man, that's not a good country. But dare you people, don't you dare talk about Pakistan. I'm born in Pakistan. Come in front of me, show what you got, I tell you what I got. That's not a thing. In Microsoft, who is there, the youngest engineer, Pakistani? Who is the youngest man in the world who got atom bomb? Dr. Qadir Khan. Who is the man, who is the legend in badminton? We got Pakistani. Bro, everything we got Pakistani. Pakistani got talent, but what? Not have a value in the country. Country gave us everything. Country is my homeland. Showed me everything. Showed me the way I'm going. But what? People don't support. People, they fight with each other. People, they killing each other. People, they want, I want to suck blood. I want to suck blood. Nobody want to drink water. The pure things. We want love. We want unity. We want freedom. We got freedom. But that's not a freedom. Pakistani people, they are best. But what? People, they blame. Yo, you are the terrorist. We are the victim of terrorism. We are not terrorists. Yeah, my name is Fuzail Khan, but I am not a terrorist. I will say to whole crowd because I am Pakistani. People say Pakistan. Man, Pakistan, let me see. No man, Pakistani satisfied. Yo man, can you ask me a question?
Thank you very much for call, bro. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Du, you are talking about that a person, that I am a Pakistani and a person who born here, like a Qaid Azam, like Dr. Qadir, like each and every person what you said in your presentation. Just wrap it and keep it one side. I am agree with your whole sentence, but just tell me one thing, what still you did for your country, man?
Your kind information, bro. Qaid Azam got education abroad. Why? He know what enemies are doing. I'll do the same. You kind of people, Benazir Bhutto went abroad, got education, came back Pakistan, showed her efforts. I am going abroad. I'll come back. I'll show what Fuzail Khan is. Pakistani.
Yeah, I don't think so. You are coming here for presentation here or make a cartoon of yourself, man. You are talking about I am come from abroad for do Pakistan, for do something for my country. Man, just tell me, still what you envision for a country? You are not able, see your shoes there, for bend them quick, perfectly, and you are talking about, listen here, yeah, and you are talking about yourself. I come back from the America, I come from like here, man, you went there for your own purpose, you come here for your own purpose, because he's the only guy who did marry in just 18 years.
Out of thousands, one gone special. Me. Out of thousands, one is the one who can do anything. Me. As you told me, I got married on 18. Yo, dude, I did. But that not belong to my topic. I'm Pakistani. Going abroad for myself. Qaid Azam went abroad for his own effort, for his own self. What? He was a diamond. He wanted to shave himself. He came back, shined the whole nation. I'll Fuzail, go, cut it, diamond. I will do shine to the whole country, whole crowd. Even you will be supporting me. Yo man, he was my brother.
The man who is bogus he wants himself to be called Pakistani. Which sort of Pakistani you are, man? You went abroad, now you have come again in your country. Why did you go abroad? For getting education. The man who wants himself to be called Pakistani don't trust his own education. His country education. That's what he went abroad.
doesn't belong to any country or nation. For your kind information, brother, in your own homeland, Pakistan, you are reading Oxford University's book. So that's what you call Pakistani. Bro, I am the man. Learning from my own institute, learning PAF, Pakistan Air Force, got metric, Bahria College, Pakistan, got intermediate. But right now, what I'll do, going abroad for what? Just to make myself more sharp, more sharper. That's what I want. You sort of people just do MBA, BA, and just have a degree. Oh man, what I will do? Oh man, what I will do? That's not a thing, brother. If you are able, if you are eligible to show yourself, I'm showing myself. Got guts? Come on. Your captain.
The man is saying that I got education from here. Now I'm going abroad country to get more education. Listen one thing, my brother. If in my home onion is available, I will eat onion. I will never go in the country of those people who are blaming my people for eating chicken, pizza. I can survive on the only onion. But the man is saying I'm going abroad for higher education. Tell me one thing, what you will do with the higher education if you are not able to do anything with the lesser education?
Yes.
Our legend Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah went abroad for what? He got education in his own homeland. But what he did, he knew it. That's not enough. That's not sufficient. That's what he went abroad. He knew if I'll be in between my enemies, I will know what they do. I'll know what they want. I'll know what they're up to. That's what I want. I'll go abroad, do the same thing. Brother, the main thing is not that I'll go abroad or I'll do anything else. The main thing is that I am Pakistani. I'll love my country wherever I'll be in the world. I am Pakistani. I'll proudly say to whole nation, yo, I am Pakistani. Pakistan, that's the label, symptom of peace, love. Pakistan was meant to be, was supposed to be, and was got just for freedom for the whole nation called Islamic Pakistan. That's it, brother. If you don't know, then I'm very sorry to say, boo, man.
Whoa!